Hello everyone, Riley here with the T-Storm Chasers. We will jump into our weather video in just a moment, but first here is a word from our friends at Cube Portable Storage.
What are you doing?
Decluttering?
Moving? Remodeling? In need of temporary storage, emergency cleanup, or just need to declutter? Cube Portable Storage has the perfect solution. Rent your Cube Portable Storage container today.
And don't forget, they got roll-off dumpsters for the other stuff. Call Cube Storage for all your moving needs.
Okay, good afternoon everyone. Today is Monday, May 11th, 2026, and let's dive into today's weather video. Taking a look here at our regional map, and we currently are not seeing much on the radar. It is a dry day today. We have not seen much of anything. Now, temperature-wise, we have rebounded a little bit, and we're seeing mild weather today. Overall temperatures have been in the 70s and 80s, which is above average for this time of the year. Current temperatures right now, we're at 73 in Sioux Falls. We're at 77 in Huron, 75 in Aberdeen. You go out west, it is warmer. We're at 86 in Pierre. We're at 90 degrees in Rapid City. So yes, it hit 90 today out in Rapid. Now down into Nebraska, we have been in the 80s to low 90s, 88 in Valentine, 91 down near the North Platte area. It is 84 in Grand Island, 84 in North Platte, 84 as well in Omaha. And into Iowa, we are in the 60s and 70s. We're at 75 in Fort Dodge. We're at 73 in Des Moines, 66 in Waterloo, and 73 in Spencer. Now into Minnesota, we're at 66 in the cities, 66 in Rochester, 68 in Mankato, 73 in Marshall. Now switching over to our weather alerts map, we do have some weather alerts to go over here. There is a large section of the northern plains that are in a pink shaded area, and that is for portions of Nebraska, South Dakota, northwest Iowa, western, southwestern Minnesota, and North Dakota, even up into Montana. Big area here of red flag warnings from Bismarck, Fargo, down to Aberdeen, Pierre, Rapid City, Sioux Falls, all included, and even down towards Grand Island and North Platte. So red flag warnings are for today and tomorrow. Out west, western South Dakota, and down here into Nebraska, it starts today and then goes through tomorrow. And then for the Sioux Falls area, we are seeing that red flag warning for tomorrow. And the timing of that is from noon until 9 p.m. Central tomorrow. Wind gusts of 20 to 30 with wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour. So tomorrow is going to be gusty and windy out there. So heads up, tomorrow is going to be a windier day. We're seeing low humidity. We're seeing warmer temperatures, dry ground. And with the winds, that's going to be a bad combo for fire weather. And fire weather concerns, once again here, any fire that develops will catch and spread quickly. Outdoor burning is not recommended. There is also a fire weather watch that is posted in northeastern Nebraska. That includes O'Neill and Pierce, Nebraska included. And then up here into portions of northeastern South Dakota, into portions of western Minnesota, there is a wind advisory that has been posted for wind gusts, northwest winds 25 to 35 with gusts up to 45, maybe even up to 50 miles per hour expected. And that is, again, for tomorrow. And that is... it says here, gusty winds will blow around unsecured objects and a few power outages could result. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution. That's the latest wording from the National Weather Service. All right, we're going to get back to our weather video in just a moment, but first, sponsorship opportunities out there. We are looking for sponsors, so if you are interested in partnering with T-Storm Chasers and becoming a sponsor with us, feel free to reach out to us on our Facebook page or any of our social platforms, as well as our email or phone number. And we're also launching our new weather call system that is available now. Highly recommend. Sign up. It's $15 for a whole year, and you get life-saving phone calls from us here at T-Storm Chasers. It is a GPS-based system, so any warnings that are issued in your area during severe weather events such as tornadoes, severe weather, and flood events, any warnings that are issued for your immediate area, you will receive a phone call within seconds from us at T-Storm Chasers, giving you guys life-saving information. If you're interested, sign up today. Go to the website at tscalert.org. Now let's get back to the video. All right, so let's dive into our forecast model and take a look at what's ahead in this week ahead. So for the remainder of today, we are going to see dry weather. Now as we head into tonight, into tomorrow morning, we could see some rain showers out here in Minnesota. And that is what is being picked up here. Minneapolis up to Duluth, up towards Grand Forks. That's what we're looking at here for tonight into tomorrow morning. And then by tomorrow morning, we could see some more rain showers from Omaha through Des Moines and portions of Iowa here as well. So something to keep an eye on there. Now, for the day tomorrow, other than that, we are going to see a high pressure over the northern plains. So we are going to be dry tomorrow. Now, there could be a 20% chance of some light rain in Nebraska into southwestern South Dakota as well, as you can see there, but very slight chance there. Now on Wednesday, we are going to see that high pressure continue over us. So Wednesday looks like a pretty nice day, all things considered. The wind's going to be down, and with a high pressure over us, we're going to remain dry. But on Thursday, we're going to see a change in the weather pattern. We're going to see this pattern break down on Thursday with chances for rain returning to the region. North Dakota and northeastern South Dakota, we're looking at some rain showers there. So be aware of that if you are in northeastern South Dakota. Now into Thursday, late afternoon and evening, we could see some rain showers in eastern South Dakota, northeast Nebraska, into Iowa and Minnesota. We could see scattered rain, and that is something we're going to keep a close eye on. The Sioux Falls area, we could pick up some rain on Thursday. We'll keep an eye out for that. Friday, looks like we're going to dry things out again, high pressure over our region. And then for your weekend, we could see another chance for some rain. According to what is being shown here on the European model, it looks like Saturday we could see some more scattered rain in eastern South Dakota into portions of Nebraska and Iowa. We'll keep an eye out for that, of course, as well. Then Saturday night, looks like we could see some widespread rain, according to what is being shown here on the model. Eastern Nebraska into Iowa. This spot in particular looks the strongest. Looks like we could see the heaviest rain. Looks like down in Nebraska and Iowa. But we could see scattered rain in South Dakota and Minnesota as well. We'll keep an eye out for that. That's this coming weekend. Into Sunday as well, we could see lingering rain across the region. Basically the entire Northern Plains region. Scattered rain possible. And we'll see what happens after that. All right, so as we dive into our temperature forecast, let's go ahead and take a look. Today was a return to warmer weather. We saw temperatures in the 70s and 80s widespread. We even saw a couple of 90-degree temperatures out towards Rapid City. Now, as we head into tomorrow, we are going to cool things down slightly, but we're still going to be in the 70s to low 80s widespread across the area. And then on Wednesday, we are going to see warmer weather move back in out west with temperatures returning to the 80s to low 90s. Rapid City could once again hit 90 on Wednesday. The wind is also going to go away on Wednesday. And Sioux Falls could be in the upper 70s. And then on Thursday, we are going to see probably our warmest day of this forecast. We are seeing widespread 80s to low 90s. Looks like out near Pierre, central South Dakota, we could definitely hit the low 90s. Sioux Falls in the mid 80s on Thursday. So 80s widespread to low 90s. And then on Friday, we are seeing widespread 80s across the region. Sioux Falls, mid 80s once again on Friday. So as we go throughout this week, we are going to keep that warming trend going. And then into your weekend as well. By Saturday, the temperature map does not change much at all between Friday and Saturday. So Saturday looks again warmer, and we're seeing widespread 80s to low 90s across the region. And then on Sunday, finishing out your weekend, more warm weather, 70s and 80s widespread across the area. So we're going to see a prolonged, continued warming trend that is continued throughout the entire week this week into your weekend. So that is all I have for you for this video. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. If you did, smash the like button, drop a comment down below. Let us know your thoughts. We want to hear from you guys. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and ring those notification bells so you don't miss any of our future videos. Check us out also on Facebook, X, Instagram, and TikTok so you don't miss any of our content over there. So with that, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.